Okay, problem number 32. Let's read it. The speed trap. A highway patrol airplane is flying 3 miles above a straight road at a constant rate of 120 miles per hour. So we have 3 miles above, and he's pretty much flying in this direction, straight direction. The pilot sees an oncoming car with a radar. Determines that at an instant the line of sight distance from the plane to the car is 5 miles. The line of sight distance is decreasing at a rate of 160 miles per hour. Find the car's speed along the highway. So we see that the S, they labeled it S here. This is going, we'll say S is equal to 5 miles. And we'll describe ds over dt as negative 160 miles per hour. And then we're trying to find how fast is the car speeding along the highway. So how fast is this car's speed in the end? Okay. They told us that the plane is flying in this direction at 120 miles per hour. So that's how fast the plane is moving. I guess we can figure out, use that. Maybe you have to add or subtract to figure out how fast the car is moving afterwards. So we'll call this x because they'll call the car's location. They call it x of t. So we're trying to figure out how fast dx over dt is changing. Okay, so far that looks like a right triangle to me. Type of problem. Let's relate those with the Pythagorean theorem. So we know x squared plus y squared in this problem, where x is the base and we'll call y is the height, the plane, is equal to s squared. We know that the height will be constant, so that's our y value. So x squared plus 3 squared is equal to s squared. We'll take the derivative of that because we need to find dx dt, and we also need to plug in ds dt. So 2x dx dt plus that became the derivative of a constant is 0, right? Equals to 2s ds over dt. We're looking for this. We have this, which is 5. ds dt, we have it as a negative 160. We can find x because this is a right triangle problem. And we said this is 3, 5. So x here is going to be 4 due to Pythagorean theorem. So 2 times 4 miles, dx over dt is unknown, is equal to 2, s is 5, ds dt we said was negative 160, so it's going to be 8 dx over dt equals to 10 times negative 160 is negative 1600 divided by 8 dx over dt is equal to, divide both sides by 8, is negative 200. Miles per hour. So we found how fast the car for speed is changing in the x direction. It's 200 miles per hour, heading toward the plane. So the car's not driving at 200 miles per hour. So just as a reminder, the plane's going this way at 120. The car's going this way at negative 200 miles per hour. So we're going to add those together to figure out how fast the car is really driving. So negative 200 miles per hour plus 120 miles per hour. This gives us negative 80 miles per hour. And that's how fast so the car's going 80 miles per hour. And it's oncoming, it's going left. That's why it's negative.